The government was reading out the obituary of Anna Hazare and his agitation, mocking the fact that people weren't coming out in big numbers to support the anti-corruption crusade. But as you look around, it's a Monday, it's in the middle of the day. Despite that, people are now coming out in the same sort of numbers that we'd seen last year. What has changed? Joining us now is Dr. Kiran Bedi. You know, the government was very condescending in the manner in which they were making fun of the agitation and saying that it had lost all momentum and steam. You must be very reassured, ma'am, with the fact that people are once again coming out in large numbers.
But what you're seeing is reality. This movement doesn't only belong to Anna. There's an Anna in everybody's heart. Anti-corruption crusade is in everybody. They're all fed up of corruption. Anna is in minds and hearts of everybody. They may be with Anna visibly. They may not be visibly not with him or not with him. But there is Anna in their heart, in their head.
But one of the reasons, ma'am, why people were beginning to feel slightly disillusioned was probably also because they felt that the agitation was losing its singular focus. That, you know, there were several issues which were all coming out, different people pulling in different directions. Do you think that's had a response on the way people see this agitation?
This is agitation which is not easy. It's a matter of law. It's a matter of law and procedures, and legal literacy in our country will take its own time, and it's come a long way. Therefore, I think it had to take its own course. This movement had to take its own course, but the fact is it's moved much faster than the past movements because of the social network and because of the power of the media. Because of the general awareness. It's moved much faster because of technology.
But where are you hoping to take this? You know, we spoke to Satyavrat Chaturvedi, who's in the standing committee looking at the Lokpal bill. The bill is not going to come in the monsoon session. So is this just an agitation for the sake of an agitation, or do you see an end point? Do you see a resolution?
This is an end point. We are not getting away without the Jan Lokpal bill now. This is now or never. We can't have Anna fasting and Arvind and Manish and Gopal Rai and hundreds of others putting their life at stake. We can't do it. It cannot happen again and again. It's now or never. And if the government wants, it can call for a special session. It can redraft its Lokpal bill. It has to redraft it. It's got a horrible Lokpal. It has kept the CBI with it. It's got the whole selection process with it. And it's got the states out. What kind of model is it offering to the states? So I think it's gone all wrong. The government has gone all wrong.
But isn't there a sense of deja vu? You're saying now or never, call a special session. You know, people sense that we've been there. You know, we've done that. People invested so much emotion, energy in this agitation, and they feel that despite Anna's agitation, despite, you know, your role in this, it's not really going anywhere.
I think it's going a long way. Get one people here in this humidity. Get somebody here in this humidity once, all by themselves, by their own conviction and commitment. Try and get it. And they're sitting here for hours and hours. They're sitting the whole day, and they're coming for the 7th day now, and they're not going, and there's no space left in Jantar Mantar. People are all filing past out of devotion. There's a total commitment. There's a devotion because it's their own agony. It's an agony against corruption and corrupt politicians.
But this time the government's approach seems to be very hands-off. They're nonchalant. They're saying, okay, Anna is agitating, Kiran Bedi is crying herself hoarse, Arvind Kejriwal is on a fast. Doesn't matter. They're not interested. They're not responding.
It does matter. They're saying it doesn't matter, but it does matter. Because one day they have to come back to the same people asking for votes with folded hands. With what face will they come back to? With what face? Because we're not stopping here. We're going to go around the country till 2014 and we're going to make them aware. This is what happened. They didn't hear you. Anna was putting himself on the block. Arvind did, Manish did, Gopal did, and hundreds other did. Around the country, around the world.